about 2 minutes. They went through in 1:15, and the winning time was 2:28. So they negatively split it, and I do expect that to happen here. And as we've already mentioned, once we get to the halfway point, I think that's when we'll start
Gamitin mo itim niya doon.
five splits start getting faster and faster, and also it really does start to become the pivotal point, because that's when the heat will start to show on some of these athletes, or the conditions will start to show on some of these athletes as well. So double up the challenge when we get to about the halfway point with the increase in speed and the heat taking.
Wala pa kayong aral dyan. Huwag kayo magbukas ng bukas yung maghapon yung nakabukas yung ninyo. Laptop Walang pahingaan yan. Pagpatay, gabi. Kayo naman nagsabi, kami nakasira ng TV.